Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make someone admin in Slack. So first, what you want to do is hover to the name of your group here and click on it. So mine is Chevy Enterprises, and once you click on that, click on Tools and Settings, hover to it, then find Manage Members right here under the Administration section. Click on that. This new tab will pop up. Then you'll see the list of members. And once you're here, you need to click on the three dots right here and click on Change Account Type. And as you can see, this member is currently a regular member. You could change it to a Workspace admin or a Workspace owner. But for this video, we're going to change it. We're going to change the member to a Workspace admin. So click on that, then click on Save. And if you check in on it again, as you can see, they are now a Workspace admin, and that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.